Just think about something else. Just jabber through.
It doesn't just jab through them.
It's gonna go.
Okay. How? Jesus, Mom.
Okay, quick.
You're going too slow. It has to.
Okay, I'm going to try the earring. I don't think it'll work yet, but I'll try it because this is smaller.
Mm-hmm.
Is it bleeding?
Mm-hmm.
Nope.
Okay, ow, 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 ow! Mom, stop!
Stop it. I can't stop.
Oh.
God, how can
I want to, you buy a bloody ear piercing. God. Then I'll let you. What the hell?
Oh my God.
Don't videotape it.
It's going on YouTube.
Yeah. I think I got it. Let me see.
It's in.
Let me
They're torturing me. My ass.
T-Ray.
Well, it hurt.
It's in.
It's through.
Just one more little push.
No. I'm gonna bite you.
Don't be stupid. I gotta get the back on it now. Okay, now I gotta put the back on it.